Hello everyone. Today we are here to demonstrate the rapid testing of AppCheck COVID-19 antibody rapid test at New Life. These are the things we required for the testing. Alcohol swab, this kind, Lancet, these two things. Then this is the box for AppCheck rapid diagnostic test for COVID-19 antibody. This is the first Indian manufacturer for developing rapid test for COVID-19. Here we are going to open the box. This is the box for 50 tests, which is the minimum pack size. Here you can see it contains 50 individually packed, foil pouched, buffer and product insert. So we'll start with the demonstration testing. We'll take first pouch, that is AppCheck rapid diagnostic test for COVID-19 antibody testing. So here we are starting. First you need to take alcohol swab, tear the pouch, take out the swab, then take a patient's finger, clean the upper surface very carefully, then let it dry, then take a lancet, tear the head of the lancet, keep that away. This is the needle portion from which you need to prick the finger. This way, hold the finger tightly. Then prick it. Make a drop. Then tear the pouch from the cutted side this way. This is the device. This is the dropper. This way. Take the blood. Put that in a sample well. This one. Out a buffer. Let the sample absorb on a sample pad. Then take a buffer and add 2 drops of buffer. As soon as you add the buffer in a sample well, within 5 seconds it starts running. You can see the flow. Sample is running this way and control band is start appearing. Within less than the 1 minute, the control band start appearing and sample has been run through till the absorbent pad. You can see the sharp control band over here at the C, position of C, which means control band. For the result interpretation, you have to wait till the 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can interpret the results, and you should not interpret the results after 30 minutes. You can see the background clearance and the sharp control band. Background is clear within 1 minute. Here there is more indication, that is G and M, that specifies G is for IgG antibody and M is for IgM antibody. Here, at the time of the interpretation, we need to check the one band at the control line and no band at the M or G position. That signifies that the sample is negative for the COVID-19. So, till now it shows that there is a no band at G or M and one single sharp control band at the C position. That signifies that till now the sample is negative for COVID-19. If after the 15 minutes, if you find in any test there is a line at C and M or G or at the both, then it shows the positive for the COVID-19. In that case, you shall go for the confirmatory test.